It's a little temp gauge enough, see if we can fix it. As you can see, it's hitting, the needle's hitting the glass. So that's possibly why it's not working. I'll pull this cover off and see what's going on. Now here it is all freed up. Moves. Let's hook it up, see what happens. There she is. And then I pretty much use the screwdriver to pry this lip open and it pops the cap off. And to put it back on, I just use these. Just roll it back. It's not that difficult. It's pretty soft. I don't know what it is, aluminum or something. That's the end result. And it's not at zero because there's no power on it, but it's gonna function just fine now. What I did is I kind of bent the needle a little bit and I think it went too far down. That's why it got stuck, but if this freed up, it should work just fine.